Hey y'all, it's Donna Rain, and I'm coming to you today to give you top 5 mistakes of wardrobe stylists. So, a little bit about me in case you don't know. I am a wardrobe stylist, and I also do wardrobe for TV, film, concerts, and of course, my personal styling. So, let's dive right into it. Number one is ignoring your client's personal style and tastes, okay? So failing to consider their lifestyle and taste is huge, okay? It's important that you fuse your expertise with your client's tastes so that you get a better understanding of them and that they're comfortable with you, and then you create them an overall amazing. Number two, oof, this is a big one and it's kind of hard, but overlooking budget constraints. Okay, so it's very, very, very important that you're upfront with your clients. Okay, so I personally also struggle with this, so that's why I always tell my clients, is there room for wiggle? Okay, because it is almost impossible to come up with an exact number, but I always give a range. Okay, so give them a range, be very upfront with them, and that way they trust you. When they get that final bill, it's not a surprise. You already talked about how it can be from this to this, but you always just consider their budget and go from there. Number three, not preparing for the unexpected. Okay, shit happens. Especially in fashion. Okay, I always come with options. I always consider weather. I always consider if it doesn't fit right. I always consider if they don't like it. So always be prepared for the unexpected. Okay, and just a little TT tip, learn to sew, even if it's simple. But what if that button pops? Learn to replace that button. What if she needs a last minute hem? You can do it at last minute hem. Okay, but expect the unexpected. That's the third mistakes wardrobe stylists usually make. They don't really expect the unexpected, so expect the unexpected. Number four, neglecting fit and alterations. Okay, so having the perfect outfit is amazing, right? But if it doesn't fit, it becomes unflattering. So if you do not know how to sew, create a relationship with someone who does alterations and ensure that your clients always have the perfect fit for the perfect look that you created. Number five, the fifth mistake that wardrobe stylists make is lack of communication and professionalism. Be on time. Say you're going to do what you're going to do. Be open and honest, and you'll be fine, okay? But you do not want to create a bad reputation, okay? Because it can happen fast. So be open, be honest, and be professional.